everyone! Today I'm going to be doing an unbagging of some jewelry from Fierce Forward. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been around for a while, thank you so much. My name's Jess. I love sharing all things about fitness. I love activewear, I love sharing my workouts, and I love to share my tips and tricks for living a healthy lifestyle. I also like to share my very favorite things. So today's video is all about some Fierce Forward jewelry that I recently ordered. I did another video about Fierce Forward a little while back. So Ashley Johns created the brand Fierce Forward, and she is a female entrepreneur. She created this brand, and basically it's like mantra jewelry. That's where it started. So it started with some bracelets, and a lot of the bracelets have like a mantra. So the one that I have here says heart. And basically when you wear your jewelry, it's supposed to empower you to embody that feeling that you want to feel. So maybe you want to feel brave, and so you have the charm that says brave. She makes all the jewelry by hand. She selects all of the stones. It's like natural stones. So this one is amethyst, this one is moonstone. I just really love the idea behind the brand, and I think Ashley is absolutely so amazing, so inspiring that she took this dream and she really went for it. She also started a podcast a little while back, so I will link her website and her podcast down below so that if you think that this sounds like something you would want to check out, you could definitely check her out. This is not a sponsored video. We are not collaborating or anything. I really love to share the things with you that I enjoy, and something about her brand just means so much to me. I think it's so incredible, and so I have to share that with you. I'm so excited. I had placed an order for a necklace and a bracelet. Okay, so I'm sorry my head's chopped off, but I really want, oh, you know what I could do? Hold on. Okay, I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor because I think you should get my facial expression too, because I'm so happy and excited. I wouldn't want you to miss my actual reaction. Okay, oh my God. And by the way, this pearl, this is a Fierce Forward piece. I am all about pearls. It is almost my birthday month. It is almost June, and I am a June baby, and I love pearls actually. So last video I got this selenite bracelet with a pearl, and this was part of a stack, but I really just wanted this, so Ashley made that for me, and I am such a pearl girl. You guys, I'm getting so excited. Oh, Jess, thank you for your sweetest video and for being you. I'm such a cheese ball. I think this is the Dalgona coffee that I just drank talking to. But like, look how, oh, it's sliding out. This is just made with so much love. Oh. Okay, so this says dream. Follow your dreams. They know the way. Create the vision for your life, unbound and limitless. And this is lapis lazuli. And this says dream. This is so cute. I think it's like wooden beads. Ugh, it's so cute. Look how cute. Oh my God. Ugh, it's so awesome. So awesome. Okay. And then all right, it says, enjoy your killer new intentions. Keep shining. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Okay, so I got this bracelet that says growth. I think this is aventurine. Green aventurine, and then moonstone. Look how cute. And this, I just really wanted to capture, I just feel like in this quarantine, oh, it looks so awesome. I honestly feel like I've grown so much in these 2 months. I've really put a lot into myself, like bettering myself spiritually, and I can't even explain. Like, it's not something that you can put your finger on, but I've really tried to push myself. Aventurine aligns the heart with the soul, attracting abundance and personal growth. A crescent moon symbolizes to go forth. Awesome. And then I got this amazing necklace. Oh, that is so cool. With rainbow quartz. Okay. So it's like this rainbow. Oh! So this is the 14-inch chain. I was just not recording, and I don't know what I said. I don't know what I said before I stopped the recording. So I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. I don't know if she still has this, because this particular chain was really special. But this is the 14-inch chain. And I really thought I wanted the choker length. I don't know. I just thought for this kind of a look, it would be cool. And then this one is a 16. So it's just a little bit longer. So depending on like how long, I'm actually short in the torso, like from here to here, I am on the shorter side. So for me, I don't know. I just thought the short length would be more flattering. So if this particular one is still on the website, I will definitely link this. If not, I think she still has the pendant, but it might be on like a more plain chain. So I will definitely link any of the items down below, or this lapis lazuli, this aventurine. I am so excited. This is so awesome. And then she included, isn't this so cute? This sticker says, "Take the risk, be you, never stop dreaming." So this I definitely want to put on like a calendar or a notebook or a journal, or like probably a journal, because a calendar, I feel like once the year's over, it's gone. But a journal, I feel like, is something that even if the journal fills up, like you don't get rid of it, you still keep it around. And then you are fierce. Do what you fear and fear disappears. This is so cool. The sticker in your package has a message. This is so awesome. I love this. Oh, this is so amazing. So thank you so much, Ashley, for these beautiful packages. I'm so excited about your brand and the new box that's coming out soon. I can't wait to get my hands on all of the different intentions. I remember, so Ashley's doing this thing where she's like putting on a cute outfit every day, because she felt like that would like make her feel like good and confident right now, and she does a podcast on it. I'm like the opposite. I've never been happier wearing my activewear all the time, because I don't normally get to do that, and like I love activewear. If you've been around for a while, you might have noticed. That's like my favorite thing. I couldn't be happier wearing leggings and sports bras and cute little shirts. But so she every day is putting on a cute outfit and showing on Instagram what she's wearing and what her intention is. And I message her, I'm like, I'm so jealous because you have all the intentions that, like, I don't have obviously all the bracelets yet. I'm saying yet. So I can only pick from so many intentions. But obviously, since she has everything, you know, like today might be growth and tomorrow might be dream and the next day I can do heart, but then that's about it. So I was just like teasing, I was just like laughing that I need to grow my collection so that I can have more intentions day by day. But I don't know, I love to talk about the things that excite me, and especially a special brand like this, I really want to share because I think it's amazing. And I think if you're into jewelry and if you're into like stones and crystals and stuff, I think you would absolutely love it. And I just want to support Ashley in her vision and dream. And, you know, I think the more we can support each other, like if you have a small business and you want me to check out what you're doing, I'm just talking about Ashley, like I found it very organically. Like I said in my last video, I met her at Wanderlust and just like made that connection and have followed ever since. So I do like to highlight things that I just come upon naturally. I'm not like going out of my way to like solicit, but if you have something that you think is awesome, if you have your own business and you want me to check it out, I'm not saying I won't promise you a positive or negative review. I'm gonna like always give my honest thoughts. That's the main thing, is I always want to be truthful and honest with you in my opinions. But if you have something fantastic like this, let me know. I might want to check it out. So get in touch. I have my email and my Instagram linked. We can be in touch. But I just always want to share my very favorite things and support small brands when I can. So anyway, I've gone on for way too long. It's because I love this so much. Thank you, Ashley, for being such a kick-ass woman. You are phenomenal, and I love you all out there. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video so soon. Bye.